This video will demonstrate key installation steps for Napoleon's outdoor gas fireplace heat management kits. Installation of heat management is optional for select Napoleon outdoor gas fireplaces. It's important to always plan the installation with the customer to determine the location of the appliance, so considerations can be made for heat management if selected. To access the heat management connection location, remove the cover plate from the top of the fireplace. Then move to the firebox and remove the interior cover plate on the top. All additional cover plates must also be removed from the appliance to create a clear opening from the interior of the firebox to the top of the fireplace. Now locate and install the collar assembly, securing it with the screws previously removed from the interior cover plate. Heat management kits for outdoor fireplaces may vary with each appliance. Refer to the installation leaflet for details on correct collar installation. From here, turn your attention to the top of the appliance and seal around the collar using a high-temp red RTV. Refer to the product manual for details regarding venting and termination requirements for the appliance to complete the installation. Find this video helpful? Subscribe to the Wolf Steel technical page for more installation and troubleshooting videos.